office that turns into a bedroom for the grandkids? California Closets can make it happen with a space-saving Murphy bed. Save up to $500 now. Call us or visit our showroom today. California Closets.
Thinking about laser vision correction? Choose Victa, Endo, and Elmer Eye Care. With state-of-the-art technology, exceptional care, and even interest-free financing options, it's no wonder that we're a leader in LASIK procedures. Is LASIK surgery right for you? Find out with a free screening at our next open house or call for an appointment.
Trust your precious eyes to the docs at Victa, Endo, and Elmer Eye Care. I do. You'll be really glad you did that. Better vision, clearly inside.
Western New Yorkers are all about the food, and when you hear the name Redlinsky, you know it means quality.
It's barbecue time, so make sure you know your butcher. I'm Mark Redlinsky, and I'm your butcher.
Redlinsky Meats, a Buffalo tradition. Sun, sand, and succulent roast beef. Welcome to summer at Anderson's. Their all-natural roast beef is slow roasted, tender, and juicy. And it's perfect for any summer party or picnic. And who can forget our world-famous frozen custard and many cool creations. Check out AndersonsCustard.com for summer fun all season long.
90-cent Cone Day is back on September 4th at all Erie County Anderson's locations. Enjoy small frozen custard or 1 scoop of ice cream for just 90 cents.
Howdy. Is this the best you can do?
It's the best L 98 gown made in Chicago.
Buddy.
You know what? You're perfect.
There's talent. Some people have it. Some people don't.
Champagne?
Oh, yes, indeed. Why didn't you tell me you own one of these?
We don't. It belongs to a friend.
Oh, what's your friend's name?
Sam.
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 I'd like to meet Sam. He must be very rich.
Well, he is, but he's got a lot of expenses.
Poor Sam.
Come in. It's too late to back out when you're already to the gap. You should all rewind this one. I just thought it was so funny with the girl walking past laughing at her.